Man, I'm crying. This will blow your mind. I found something so cool in Surah Al Mulk that I'm still processing it and I would like to share with you all. Okay, I'll come straight to the point. So, you know how Surah Al Mulk is filled with warnings about the consequences for those who refuse to believe. But the last verse is a living example, like you can actually witness it today. Listen to this. Consider this. If your water were to sink into the earth, then who else could bring you flowing water? For some reason, this verse hit me deeply, and I started wondering, has something like this ever actually happened? Like, has all the water of the earth ever sunk into the ground in the billions of years of its history? So I did some Google and ear research, and there it was. Earth has never experienced such an event yet, but according to authentic research from NASA and other science institutes, confirming that Mars once had water and that water actually sank into the planet. Read this. More than 3 billion years ago, the dusty red planet had oceans and rivers. That water disappeared, leaving only ice on the surface. A new analysis of Mars' interior suggests that much of the liquid water still exists in the pores of the rocks of 10 to 20 kilometers below the surface. And read this other screenshot. Mars is a mystery because it has features such as those resembling dry riverbeds that imply it was quite wet in its past. Now, check out this other article that uses the same words as the Quran did 1400 years ago. Planetary scientists confirm there is no flowing water on Mars. How cool is that? Aren't these the words from the last verse of Surah Al Mulk? Who would bring you flowing water? Check out this screenshot. The planet is cold and dry now, but was warm and wet in its past. One of the critical questions concerns what happened to its ocean's worth of water. All these talks. So, what I want to say is that if Allah can do that to Mars, it can very well and will happen to the earth as well. Then what would we do? All these signs, and yet some people still choose not to believe. That itself explains why hell exists and what a perfect ending this verse is to Surah Al Mulk. Thank you for watching.